And welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video I will show you how to delete a YouTube Kids account permanently. So to do this you just need to go to the YouTube Kids profile of your kids that you want to delete. Of course you can access YouTube Kids account from youtubekids.com or also from the apps on the Android or also the iOS. So to do this you just need to go to the lock icon, click on it, and after that go and click give the results, and after that click on submit. And as you can see here, it's loading. You need to wait a little bit. Let it complete downloading, or let's refresh again, no problem. So it's 40 and click submit. Okay. And now, as you can see, there is the profile related to my account. I just need to click on it. And after that, you need to enter your Google profile password. Here we mean your profile. Okay, and click next. And after clicking next, it gives you all the access about your kids account. So here to delete the account, there is an option called delete profile. You just need to click on it, and after that click on delete, and like that you deleted the YouTube Kids profile. I wish that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also to subscribe to our account, and see you in the next video.